Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. In the future, Shiba Inus are finally going to remove a few zeros. A description given. One of the most talked about cryptocurrency projects right now is Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin on the market. An ERC20 token called shib was released on the Ethereum network in August 2020 with the primary objective of surpassing Dogecoin. That is the reason behind its moniker, the Doge Killer. The Shiba Inu is going to remove a few zeros from its future in this video. For more videos like this one, which features expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. For the last 7 days, the coin's growth has been negative, falling 9.9%. Additionally, dropped 43% in the 30 days and 56% in the last 90 days. In the last 30 days, the value of a Shiba Inu has decreased from 0.0019 until 0.00107. If bears keep controlling the market, crypto experts predict that Shiba Inu might fall even further. The consensus opinion is that SHIB might see another zero in the coming weeks, bringing its value to $5 or 0.09 USD. The aggressive Fed policies are one of many factors contributing to the Shiba Inu's precipitous decline. This coin has additional problems because to the departure of Ryoshi, the creator of the Shiba Inu, the SHIB coin was already under heavy selling pressure before the move. The sum of these things can cause the Shiba Inu price to rise back up to $2.09. Suddenly, SHIB went viral after Binance listed Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is valuable because it can be added to an existing blockchain network, giving it trustworthiness as an investment. Crypto analysts continue to speculate that, as its popularity grows, its limited supply will make it an even more sought-after asset in the future. In August of 2020, Shiba Inu was born with a total of 1 quadrillion tokens. May 2021 was the first major event in Shiba Inu's history. The founder sent half of the supply to Vitalik Buterin, a co-founder of Ethereum. In the eyes of many, this was all just a publicity gimmick meant to capitalize on another cryptocurrency's popularity. According to Ryoshi's enigmatic reasoning, a vulnerability is necessary for greatness. While burning 90% of the tokens, 10% were donated by Buterin. There are currently 549 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation due to this reason. With the release of ShibaSwap in July 2021, Shiba Inu became the first decentralized exchange. To create a cryptocurrency game project, it teamed up with David Falk in November. Falk was formerly Activision's VP of Technology. In 2020 was $101 Indian USD. The highest price for a Shiba Inu that year was 0.008845 USD. Although it is difficult to draw meaningful comparisons from such little statistics, that the price had increased by over 74.1 million% in October 2021 provides a useful perspective. Following that, there was a sharp decline, and its value fell by over 75%. More than 600 establishments began accepting Shiba Inus at the beginning of 2022. At the same time, more than 7,500 businesses embraced Bitcoin, the industry leader. The Shiba Inu token, a popular meme coin and Dogecoin's main competitor, has its native decentralized exchange on ShibaSwap. With the addition of features like staking, governance, and non-fungible tokens, CNFTs, the ShibaSwap exchange, which was released in July 2021, performs many of the same services as existing decentralized exchanges and DEX, token exchanges, and liquidity pools. Furthermore, the ShibaSwap ecosystem is primarily driven by 3 coins. There are 3 tokens in total: ShibaSwap Fuel Token, Shiba Inu, Bone, and Leash, which are all ERC20 tokens. By using Doggy-Do, holders of this token can suggest and vote on protocol modifications for the ShibaSwap. With the most recent trade in May of 2022, Bonai was worth 0.5621. With a total of 2 to 50 million coins available, 6,975, 299 Bon make up the outstanding supply of the token. Leash is another token in the ShibaSwap ecosystem, in addition to Bua's ShibaSwap. To those involved with the Shiba Inu SHIB community, it represents an incentive token. The original version of Leash was an elastic token, which is another name for a rebase token. Rebase is a type of token that, like stablecoins, uses computer algorithms to automatically modify the supply in order to maintain a price peg to other assets. The supply of Leash is U100 with the price of Doge. To rephrase, if the price of Dogecoin is 0.05 USD, the supply of Leashes will be changed to bring the price of Leashes up to 50 USD through either burning existing tokens or minting new ones. For ShibaSwap investors, Leash is now more valuable than Doge itself and no longer follows its price. Leash will cost 8.40 tween night 2 in May 2022. 3 native tokens, Sable and Bowie, play important roles in the 6 main functions offered by ShibaSwap, according to the official website. Installing one of 3 ShibaSwap compatible cryptocurrency wallet services is prerequisite to using the platform. When creating a cryptocurrency wallet, there are 2 steps you must take. Your secret phrase, seed phrase, or recovery phrase should be duplicated first. Be cautious not to save or send the secret phrase in any digital format, including screenshots, that hackers cannot access your personal information. As an alternative, you may physically jot it down. Make a plethora of duplicates of the phrase and store them in separate locations to guarantee maximum secrecy. The second need for participating in ShibaSwap staking or liquidity pools is to have an Ethereum balance sufficient to pay transaction fees and then convert those funds into SHIB, BONE, or LASH tokens. To link your wallet, go to ShibaSwap's homepage, look for the Connect symbol on the top right, and choose your wallet service. After you finish, the ShibaSwap services will be available to you. On the other hand, you can't rely on it alone to judge a system's safety. Prospective purchasers should always thoroughly investigate the dangers associated with each DeFi platform before investing in one. Company heads have no choice but to heed public demands for a coin's acceptance. I can almost feel Adam Aron, CEO of AMC Entertainment, listening. He only recently admitted that the movie theater business is looking into ways to welcome Shiba Inu. A token with a nautical theme wouldn't be completely out of the question for the corporation. Aron clarified that the demand from the public prompted AMC to consider Dogecoin as a payment option, and that the approval is expected in the first quarter of 2022. As a result, SHIB's inclusion in our cryptocurrency hit parade is highly anticipated, as Aron put it. Nevertheless, each of the 3 functions inside a distinct ecology: Uniswap on Ethereum, PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain, and ShibaSwap on Shiba Inu. Experts say ShibaSwap has better earning potential, especially with the 2 main passive revenue elements, digging and burying. Among the many good things that happened to Shiba Inu in 2022 was the launch of their metaverse platform. Because of this, the Shiba Inu is now worth more than before. Around 27,000 seems to be the bottom for Bitcoin as well. Shiba Inu has the potential to reach $1 by year's end if the market recovers from the worst of its bear run in 2022. In 2023, Shiba Inu might have a good year if the market's worst is over before year's end. Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network activity is one factor that can push the token burn higher. But momentum won't be that great since the market is recovering from a severe recession. Throughout 2023, Shiba Inu might be worth anything from 0.1001 to 0.0012. Concludes today's activities. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.